Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. So, different kind of video today. This is for my car heads out there. So if you didn't know, pardon the noise, but I'm outside and these are just the conditions that I'm being given right now. So, if you didn't know, I got a 2000, wait, let me wait for the plane. I tell you, boy, New York is noisy. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I have a 2016 q50s Silver Sport, right? It's a 3.0 T turbo. So recently I acquired this bad boy right here, which is to upgrade your ECU with a piggyback system, and it turns up your turbos a little bit, right? So other upgrades that I have done has been, I got the Continental Pure contacts. These are crazy. These make you very, very, very grippy. And I have the K&N filters. And for 2 weeks now, or a week now, I have this right here. So this is like 50 or 60 horsepower and the same number of the torque, I believe. And there's other alternatives. There's the JB4 and there's the ECU Tech, but I didn't want that much of a dramatic increase in the power because, sorry for the noise, because I feel when you go that high with the power, it puts too much strain on the turbos, and I'm keeping this car every day reliable, if that makes sense. So I chose this, and I got it for $200 off July 4th weekend. It's usually $600. I got it for $399 shipped, so can't beat that. It has, and I also have the app for the phone. I got an iPhone, and it's Sport, Eco, and Race, and of course I keep it in Race. And if you don't have the app, this right here, you can adjust it on the computer itself, on the module, or let me show you. So that's the box it comes in, pretty decent. Let me show you under the hood how it's set up. So this is it right here. It's very simple, and you see there's no crazy wires or anything to tell you that it's not there. So I'll show you when you take the cover off. So that's one wire that goes to the manifold. That's another wire that goes there, which is right here. All it does is you plug out from the MAF, and then you put it there, and you plug out and you put it there, and that's it. And it goes, you see A and B labeled, and it goes around, and it goes right here. It's put there with what is that called? The zip ties. And that's it. Haven't had a problem with it. It can move so you can see it. If you don't have the thing, you can do it yourself like that. It has as you can see, the buttons there and stuff like that, or it just stays there like that. Very, very simple. And I haven't had a problem with it. I've had it for like 2 weeks now, I believe, and that's it. It's very simple. So for me, this with the K&N filters, and I'm feeling pretty froggy. I'm all right. So if you don't want to do a crazy upgrade, also, but let me be honest, I'm also getting the downpipes, and I may do the exhaust because I plan to fully mod this car without compromising the everyday reliability. So that's the plan. But for the money, for the 400, you know, I go to work very early in the morning, and let me just tell you that I have a lot of fun going to work. I don't really go crazy in the afternoon because that's when everybody's out and about, but in the morning, I'm on the road like 4:30, 5 o'clock. I have a lot of fun with this car. So anyway, 2016 q50s Silver Sport. Just telling you what I've done so far, and I did this myself. It took maybe like 20 minutes, and you know, very, very, very simple. So let me You know what? Let me start it. Let me see if I can get you guys to hear some noise. So let me just put the cover like that. Now, unfortunately, since I am recording off the iPhone, I can't like show you the app, how it works and stuff like that. But you can Google it, or you can go on YouTube and see it. But so it's like that. You can put on your Sport Plus, which I just, and then let me wind on the way. Okay, so it cut off because of my Bluetooth, which is my fault, but let me finish what I was saying. So I put it in Sport Plus, and without me doing the modification where I installed the piggyback thing, you didn't really hear the turbos like that. You did, but you had to listen very closely. So let me do a little exhaust note and let me see if you could hear it now. See, you could hear the turbos a lot more now. You could hear the whoosh. You really couldn't hear that before. And that's because this thing turns it up where I think it goes from, I forgot the numbers of the PSI, but it turns it up like 4 or 5 more PSI than the factory. And believe me, you really feel and you hear the difference. So I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it. And it's a big difference from when I first got the car. So anyway, just trying to share some info. If you have a car like this with the motor, and the reason I got this car was for the turbos. So this little mod has made it very, 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 like, a lot of fun. And again, I'm gonna get the downpipes and I'm gonna get the exhaust, but for now I just have that mod and I have the K&Ns, and I'm very, very, very happy. So stay tuned. Quick little video. Sorry I don't have a camera to show you all the other stuff, but you know, that stuff is coming soon. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and I would show you some polls, but I'm not trying to have, you know, people link my account to me doing illegal activities, so I'm not doing that. But there are people who are out there who have that stuff on their channel, and you could easily Google it and find it. Anyway, hope this video was helpful, and if you can find the race chips on sale, I would definitely suggest you getting it. All right, peace, take care.